Hello everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namya back with another tutorial for you. Today we're going to learn that how we can make a picture look like the ones while you're searching for some codes in Google. Let us start. Today we're not going to work on PIXLR for editor, but today we're going to learn that how we can use Express for it. And then you can even search from the pictures from the stock search. So I'll search for nature, and then you can take any image that you want from this nature option. All look beautiful, but actually we have to choose one. I think this one is nice. I've taken this and it'll take a bit time to load. And then you can select the size of the image. So I'll take full HD and then apply. So our image has appeared. Now let us go to, just let me unlock the image as it is locked yet, and then you can go to arrange, and then you can see that you can make many changes that you want. You even have crop option to cut out the mask, you can adjust it, apply filters, effects, you can liquify, retouch, even raw text, you can add elements and even add pictures or images. So right now, first of all, we have to go on the if effects. Yeah, they are here. And then let us click upon in stage. You can choose any, but I like this a lot. And then from that, you can select the kind of filter you can see that you want for your image, but actually these are the effects. So I think this one would look a bit real. And then let us go on text option and add a new text. So it always gives you one of the default text like problems are not stop signs, they are guidelines. Nice. And I think I'm gonna write one of the code that is, I think this one would go, that poetry of earth is never dead. Nice. And then you can even like take a imaginary name that who has written this. So maybe I'm taking an imaginary name, John. I don't know who has written this, but I'm taking an imaginary name. And then we can even change the font options to, I think this one will look good. Let us search for some. Yeah, this one is nice. And then you can align it, make it italic, bold, and uppercase. You can even change the color and then even the size. So I'm just changing the size a bit around. Yeah, this one is nice. And you can even make the line spacing a bit to, yeah, it could be like that or even in minus. I think 0 would be better. And then you have the background options, outline, shadows, and you can even draw around with this, retouch some effects which you want to, and you can liquify. Then you even have the filtered effects in it. They are like, you can blur it fully if you want. So a bit blur would look good. You can make the clarity a bit better. You can even reduce the clarity and many more things you can do in the Express. So I hope you like this video. Please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.